What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's been like, I don't know, a year? It's been a long time. So, making myself a little speaker shelf to go on top of my computer stand, computer setup in the other room. Man, trying to get things going. I was gonna move, and then I never ended up moving. I still might move, but I just want to get things organized. So, I'm gonna take a little tour here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this thing working right. We'll see how that goes. So, see right here, got the laptop set up, triple, you know, it's fun. Little Hendrix up there. So I'm gonna put my little speaker stand right here. 2 speakers, just put it right there. I can't do it because I got the window right there. Then I'm gonna put this in the middle. I was gonna try to put it behind here, but that ain't gonna work. So we're gonna go ahead and have that sitting right there. Get the 2 speakers right on the side of it with that shelf. We're gonna see how it goes. I don't know. It's gonna probably take me a little bit. Trying to get back in the old, habit of being handy. It's expensive, man. It's expensive to do. It's expensive to do your own projects sometimes. So, all right. Let's see how this goes. Just in case you're wondering how much this stuff costs, got the receipt right here. You know, you're gonna need some screws, things like that. You gotta measure those out. This was like, I got this at Lowe's. I just happened to be by there. So this was, these, got 2 of them. They were both about 6 something, so around $7. This right here was only 6 something, so like $7. So all in all, $21. Now, I wanted to get something a lot nicer, but it's like, they were like $30 just for, you know, one of these shelves. And I'm, you know, like I said, I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. So I decided to go the cheaper route. And like I said, it's gonna do the trick. So we'll see what happens. All right. So basically all I did for the measurements is the board I believe was almost 24 inches. So then I just went 8, 16, 24, you know, at the 8 mark and the 16 mark, you know, basically put the L brackets right there. It worked out fine, and I didn't use no crazy tools. I just used a book, and you see, and I used that envelope to mark everything down. It's pretty easy. And then just use the punch set to basically start the hole to drill in. Very, very basic, but yeah, it worked out pretty good. I didn't have no issues. So you just, like I said, just want to take your time, make sure you do everything right with this, and you shouldn't have no problems. All right, as you can see, we fit it in underneath here. It slid in nice. I got those in loose. So I'm just gonna get these ones in on the bottom, and we should be good to go. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna say no names. He knows who he is. If he's watching this, I'll let him borrow my drill. And then, yeah, all my drill bits are gone. I ain't gonna say no names though. You know who you are. I'm gonna go right here. And the 2 speakers are gonna go right on the side of it. And that would be pretty good, I think. And it'll be nice and sturdy because I got it right. If you see here, the painters of my apartment didn't do a good job covering that up. So I knew where the studs were right off the bat. So at the top, they're hanging right off the studs. We've got the L brackets right there. So yeah, we're looking pretty good. This is gonna be nice. There it is. Oh, I'm kind of digging this. I like this under there, you know? So what I did was, because I just went straight through with the studs, didn't matter, and then I used some wall anchors on there. It's pretty dope. Look at that. Let me get one of my speakers over here. Give me 1 second. Yes, baby, I like it. I'm liking it. Oh yeah, definitely. What I'll probably do is drill like a little hole here, and then I'm gonna get some, so it's like curly stuff. I can't remember what the heck it's called. It's for the wires and stuff. Get the white stuff, go down. And as you can see, I got the good old double-sided tape for that down there. That's gonna go up on the wall, so that's gonna be pretty dope. I'm definitely feeling this. What do you guys think, huh? Yeah, I know it ain't no professional studio or nothing like that, but it's pretty dope. I like it, man. I like it. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. I enjoyed it. We'll come back with a part 2 when I'm done with everything else. All right, peace.